Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben and welcome to my live stream. Today we're going to talk about, will Bitcoin crash soon? Is XRP dead? And much more. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to learn how to make money from these markets. Some of you guys are down a lot and you don't understand what's going on. If you are that person, I mean, you know, some of you guys really have to understand that, you know, you guys are new to this industry and you guys are still learning. So if you're that guy or girl that, you know, struggling right now, hit the subscribe button, because over here, I only focus on the charts, only look at the facts. That's how I make my money, strictly from the charts. If you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. During this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. All right. So shout out to all you guys that's coming in. I don't know how many people is going to show up. Right now it's 3:30. I decided to go live right now because I know some of you guys have different, some of you guys are in a different time zone. So I want to go live right now. But let's get to the charts, and later on we're gonna get to you guys' questions. Let's pop this out real quick, and let's see if I see any of my subscribers on right now. So let's see what's going on. What's going on, guys? Thanks a lot for stopping by. Appreciate all you guys, all my subscribers. Thanks a lot for coming through. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Let me see here. I should have had it. I think I had it up. Okay. Here it goes right here. All right. Alrighty. So guys, let's go to CoinMarketCap real quick. I know someone said, "Oh man, why you using CoinMarketCap, bro?" I mean, you know, it's just looking at bits and pieces. It's not like I'm mainly focused on all the information on CoinMarketCap. So right now, XRP and Ethereum. I just noticed. I don't know how long this actually went up, but it looks like XRP is back down to the third spot, and we're gonna talk about XRP later. But you know, overall, the market is not doing anything. Once again, it is the new year. It is 2019. We should see some type of volatility, and this tells me that there's no interest right now when it comes to the crypto market world. Okay, we should see at least something going on, some type of movement, and nothing's going on. So we will see if next week we will see more volatility in the market. But right now, Bitcoin and these other cryptocurrencies are not doing anything. Okay, the market cap is at 129 billion, and you know, it's still low. I mean, remember that this was at like 800 and something. I think like 830. That's crazy, guys. Now it's at 129. So let's get to the chart. Let's show you guys what I'm looking at right now, and basically we go from there. So this is basically what I post today in my Discord room. You know, it's a possibility that Bitcoin can actually break out of this channel and continue to go down. Okay, so what we have here, guys, is just the market going down. We went up, okay, and we was going in this channel right here. We broke this channel. So let me draw this little trend line right here. Okay, we had a trend line right here. We broke it, and we broke it with a lot of sellers. Okay, and after that break, guess what? We've been having consolidation, and this consolidation, the more I looked at it, you know, it looks like continuation to the downside. So we will see. Okay, we will see. It looks like this thing can actually break this consolidation, pull back, maybe break it some more, come back, you know, continue to go down. That's what it looks like right now. Now, is this support level going to hold up right here? This fake inverse head and shoulders? Because yes, I'm calling it fake because we are still in a bear market, and I don't believe we are going to reverse just because of inverse head and shoulders. Okay, most of these obvious patterns fell in the bear market, so even if it works, it's going to work temporarily and most likely crash back down. And I told you guys before that I believe they don't want to bring this market up too high. Okay. And the reason why is because they bring it up too high, it's going to be obvious when it comes back down. So they have to, in my opinion, they have to keep it as low as possible, just to keep a lot of people guessing. Okay, and that's what the whales love to do. They love to play with your mind, play with your emotions, keep you guessing, have you biting your nails, and try to figure out what's going on. But anyway, so is this temporary support level going to hold up? It's a possibility. It's a possibility that we can actually hold this support right here and probably go up one more time. That's a possibility. But what I'm noticing right now, guys, and like I said, I posted this in my Discord, that this looks like a continuation pattern right here. Okay, it looks like a continuation pattern. We broke this trend line. Now we consolidate. Okay, and it looks like we just probably going to break out of this consolidation and probably continue to go back to the lows. Now, when we go back to the lows, I don't think, it all depends. We will see. Okay, how they want to break this, but this actually could be temporary support too. Okay, so as soon as we break this low, most likely we probably go to what, 2,900, something like that, and we might see a temporary bounce from this level. Okay, a lot of people are going to say, "Oh, you see that? Support around this area, blah blah blah, the bottom." Okay, like these guys always like to say, "Bottom, bottom this, bottom that." So we might see temporary support when we break this low, but please don't let these guys trick you. It's time to make money, guys. It's 2019. Time to increase your thinking, increase your knowledge, and step up your game. Okay. If you guys have any questions, please type it in during this live stream. I will get to your guys' questions. And also, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, because I don't care what anyone says. I know some of you guys that's in the crypto market right now, you're tired of losing. Okay, so that's it with Bitcoin. Let's look at these other cryptocurrencies real quick. We're probably going to talk about XRP later. Let's see what's going on with Ethereum. I know Ethereum had a nice little rip up, but eventually it has to stop. I mean, a couple of things. If you notice that we have a trend line right here with Ethereum, so Ethereum can actually go up one more time, or actually try to go up to this trend line right here. It don't have to, but it could try to go up to that. Also, it could try to go up to the high, and try to test the high. But it don't have to do. It don't even have to test the high. We can sell off right here, and just to go down. Okay. Let's look at Litecoin. I don't know what Litecoin is doing. So Litecoin found resistance around here at this area, and we will see if this baby will continue to go down. Okay. Tron, I haven't looked at Tron in a minute. Let's see what Tron is doing. So Tron is at resistance right here. Tron is trying to fight this resistance, and it looks like it's trying to go back to the high. We will see if it will. Let's look at who else. There's another coin I wanted to look at. ADA It's not really doing anything. So these coins look like they might have another push up. But when I'm looking at Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin looks like we might push down out of that channel. So just be careful, okay? Bitcoin looks weak right now, okay? So that's what I'm looking at with these coins. If you guys have any questions, you can type it in. The overall, overall market? I think the stock market actually went up today. It was an update today for this in the stock market world. And we will look at that later probably. So let's go to your guys' questions. Let me see if you guys have any questions, and we go from there. Hold on, let me see real quick. All right, so let's go to your guys' questions real quick. Alrighty, so let's see what's going on here. Troy, Travis, Dom. Shout out to all you guys. Swazza, Crypto Corey. I'm doing good, Crypto Corey, man. I'm hoping you know, you're doing good too, bro. Shout out to you. Happy New Year's to everybody again. Dom said 2019 is here. Time to buy the dips. Yes, time to buy the dips. Time to do everything that these YouTubers are telling you. Let me see here. What is that? 2034. What is 2034? 20 hours and 34. What's going on? What's going on, Colin? Colin, you say you see a bull flag on what chart? What's going on, AZ? Keith, what's going on? Shout out to Keith. Ken. Yeah, TRX is moving slightly. Yes. Joseph, what's going on? Peter. I'm reading these questions real quick. Joseph said, any thoughts on oil? What's going on, Woody? What are your you said thoughts on oil, as in what? You said I've done well selling on the swing last month, so it has changed. I love your thoughts. Let's look at oil. Are you talking about, what time frame are you talking about, Joseph? Okay, so we're on the same page. Okay, what time frame are you talking about? Because you know, your time frame might be different than my time frame. Crude oil been selling like crazy. I mean, look at this. I mean, this is ridiculous. Okay, crude oil been selling like boom, 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 like crazy, and now we finally got a little bounce right here. So yes, I do expect crude oil probably to continue to go back, probably to in the 50s. Okay, it looks like a continuation to the 50s. It don't have to, but it looks like it. And when we hit the 50s once again, we have to see if they, you know, it's going to be resistance around this area. Okay. But me personally, I wouldn't be trying to short crude oil right now. It definitely looks like it's trying to do a temporary bounce. Okay. But a lot of selling going on in crude oil. Let me see here. Yeah. Shout out to all the trolls, man. YouTuber said Tron will make you rich last week, and today he rants because BitTorrent isn't using the coin. Oh boy, these guys, man. These guys are so much. I mean, it's too much. These YouTubers, man. Too much. But shout out to all you guys. Shout out to all my subscribers, bro. Okay? If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Okay? If you don't like the truth, if you want me to lie to you, this is not the channel for you, guys. This is not the channel for you. Yesterday I had a couple of people unsubscribe, and I'm happy. Okay? I'm very happy that people are unsubscribing, because those are the people that I don't want on my channel. Okay, those are the weak people that want to continue to lose. They want to be sheep and be brainwashed by these other YouTubers that constantly telling these guys, hey man, this is the bottom, this is the bottom. Hey man, this looks like the bottom. You don't see this wedge. So let's go back to Bitcoin real quick. Let's go back to Bitcoin one more time. And another thing that I see with Bitcoin is we had this crazy pump out of nowhere. I mean, it was a crazy pump out of nowhere. And notice that when we try to go up one more time, we try to make a higher high, and we couldn't close. And notice that we couldn't close above this high right here. So as soon as we try to make a higher high, boom, rejection, and then sellers came in. So right now, all I see is just sellers consolidation. Looks like a continuation pattern. That's what it looks like. Okay, we will see though. We will definitely see. They definitely could run this baby up one more time, but right now it's definitely looking like a continuation pattern. All right. Like I said, guys, over here, if you're new to my channel, over here, what I do is try to teach people how to become pros. Okay. How to step up your game, go to the next level. How to make money now, NOW. And if you're not into that, then this channel is not for you. Okay? I have, people that just want things to be easy. They want to buy, and they want things to go up just because they heard it on the news. They heard people making millions of dollars on the news. Okay? And when I tell them that the market looks like it is weak and it looks like it's going to continue to go down this year, some of these guys get mad. And I'm happy, because I don't want those guys on my channel. Okay? So if you're lazy, if you don't want to study, if you think technical analysis doesn't work, this channel is not for you, bro. We've been making money last year from technical analysis. I make money full-time from technical analysis. Okay, so it's your belief system, okay, that's messing you up. It's your belief system that's messing you up. So some of you guys really have to step up your game. So, guys, if you have any questions, type it in. Type it in. Please type in your questions. Over here, sometimes I need to repeat things more than 7 times, okay? Because the average person, especially if you're new to this financial world and you've been brainwashed, your whole life, the average person needs to hear something at least 7 times just to understand what I'm trying to say. Because the first time is just, second time, third time, And the reason why you have to say it so many times is because there's a lot of distractions going, a lot of distractions in the world, okay? We have our phone, we have the internet, we have, cable, the news, a lot of distractions. So you have to sometimes keep repeating things just to let people know that this is the real deal, right? Just to make people understand or get the message, all right? Some people don't get it right away. And honestly, I had a lot of people email me and told me, hey, man, you know, I've been following you for a couple of months. I've been ignoring you. I've been trying to go against you, and I've been waiting, and I was hoping that you was wrong, but hey, man, you know, I have to give it to you. You know, I'm finally listening. Okay. So I know some when I talk, some of you guys are not going to listen to me. It might take a couple of months from now. Okay. Which is okay, because it's good when someone decides to wake up. So let's go to your guys' questions. Let's go to you guys' questions, and we go from here. All right. Let's go to your guys' questions. Right now, I'm getting a text. I don't know who's texting me. Anybody's texting me? I don't know. But let's go to you guys' questions real quick. Somebody said barbecue coin to the moon. Yes. Barbecue coin to the moon. What's going on, Peter? How you doing, bro? What's going on, Eric? Let me see. Joseph, yes, you can. You know, it's a nice 1, 2, 3 setting up on Bitcoin. Let me see here. What is the most common type of manipulation in a crypto currency market? It's not. It's really nothing common. Okay, you have people. You have the whales basically control everything. Okay, if you're dealing with people that can move the market at any time, you know, that's all you need. So it's really like not one type of, you know, thing you're looking at. It's just basically people that can actually move the market anytime they want to. Okay. I don't know what's going on with this guy. Inside information. You said these guys are crooks. What's going on with here? Moon now. You know, I don't know what's going on over there. Max X. We are not looking for any moon right now because the chart is not telling us. I want to buy barbecue coin and hodl for 5 years. If you guys don't know what barbecue coin is, it's basically a coin that didn't make it, guys. It didn't make it. Oh man. Do you see the price of gold still going up? Let me look at it. Gold. You know, certain things I just don't look at, man. You know. What is that gold symbol? I heard about gold going up, but I didn't look at it lately. Yeah, so gold is going up. That's nice. Okay. You have to understand that the gold really has been doing nothing for a long time. So it's deciding to go up. Okay. Now you have to ask yourself, is this the real deal? You know, we will see. We will see. Okay, it's making lower highs though. I agree with that. So the next thing is, okay, for gold to do is basically, you know, go up, maybe consolidate some more, all right, and break out, okay, and then maybe pull back to the breakout and continue to go back up, all right. That's what we need to see with gold. All right, so you said Bitcoin is pumping. Pumping like what? Is it going up? I don't know what's going on my charts. Yeah, it went up a little bit. Okay, that's what's up. Nothing crazy, but it went up a little bit. Stock market is down. Not today. What's going on, Ashwin? Can you explain if I use what? Is your crypto course still 150? During my live stream, yes. Okay, I didn't get to that. Honestly, I forgot all about this course. You know, when I get into you know, looking at the charts, I'll be, you know, definitely forget about the course. But yeah, so if you want the course, it's 150 during the live stream. Please understand that it's only during the live stream. Okay. Let me give you that link. Okay, so when I get off the live stream, it's going right back to 300. If you guys don't know what this is about, it's about making money in the bear market and the bull market. Okay, you can go to this page. You can read the testimonials, read what it's about, how to enter, how to exit. Okay, if you are into making money now, that course is for you. So let's go back to these questions. Okay. S&P been pumping a lot. Gotta love the old S&P. All right, so what's going on with XRP, guys? Okay, that's another thing I want to talk about. Okay, all your XRP moon boys, you know, your guys are quiet nowadays. Okay, what's going on with your XRP moon boys? You know, your guys are quiet. Is XRP dead? I mean, basically today I just noticed that, and you know, a lot of these XRP guys would say, "Why I'm looking at Coin Market Cap?" Because I want to look at it. You know, XRP is at number 3, or actually number 3 on Coin Market Cap. You know, what's going on with XRP? Okay, all last year we've been getting good news on top of good news, on top of good news, on top of good news. Okay, your favorite XRP YouTuber been saying, "Hey, bro, in a year, end of the year, we're gonna see $3 XRP. We're gonna see $5. We're gonna see $10. Okay, and XRP is still at 35 cents. So I want all the XRP guys to come out and explain yourself. Explain what's going on with XRP. Some of you guys claim that XRP, you know, and let's not forget, because let's not forget what you guys said. You guys said XRP is going to separate, okay, separate from Bitcoin, and it's going to start its own bull market. Okay, let's not forget what you guys said. You guys said XRP is going to disregard Bitcoin and start its own bull market and go to the moon. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, when it comes to the cryptocurrency space, you guys are listening to XRP YouTubers that don't know anything about nothing. These guys are rookies. absolute, these guys are losers when it comes to the financial world, and you guys are listening to these guys because that's where you get most of your information from. Okay, and then you get information from the so-called news, which is garbage. Garbage. So you guys have a lot of explaining to do because what only thing I see right now with XRP is, XRP looks just like these other altcoins and looks like it will go right back to the lows. Okay, they're at 23 cents, and once it goes there, most likely it's going to continue to go down. And I'm not saying that to be negative. I'm just saying that this is what the chart is telling me. Okay. All right. So let's go back to these questions, guys. And like I said before, guys, some of you guys really have to grow up. Okay. Some of you guys really have to grow up because some of you guys will get pissed off or mad about someone talking about a coin. I was actually looking at a discussion today. I think Sonny had it on his YouTube channel, and it was I don't know, I think it was Tone Vase, some other I don't know if he's Chinese, Asian, I don't know. And that dude was just going off. I mean, basically just acting real like he's acting like a second grader. Okay, some of you guys really have to control your emotions. Don't, some of you guys really get pissed off when someone talks about your coin. Okay. You guys really have to just chill out. Let's go to these questions. Let's see if if I see some questions here. Ashwin, you said tick charts versus basically tick charts is what do you call that? It's the number of trades per bar. Okay, time is the bar. If it's a 1 minute candle, then that's the bar you're gonna get. You're gonna get every single time it turns a one minute pass, you're gonna get a candle. Okay. I don't know what is your next question after that. I use both charts are good. Let me look at these questions here. Travis said his course is worth it. Thanks a lot, bro. Yeah, I use both, Ashwin. I use both. They both are good. Do you have any regular stock that you read, or is it that stupid question? No, it's not a stupid question. You said, do I have a regular stock that I read? Okay. A regular stock that I look at? No, I don't have a regular stock that I look at. No. Okay. Right now, I'm only trading the futures market. So I trade it. Right now, I'm trading S&P 500. So let's look at that. Okay. Let's look at the S&P 500. Right, E-minis. So I'm trading this, okay? So I'm not looking at any one stock. I heard Apple was getting crushed, but right now we're doing a temporary bounce from the stock market, okay? Let's look at Apple real quick. I heard Apple was getting crushed. What is Apple symbol? Sheesh. All right, so yeah, it was getting crushed. Now it's rebounding. But I mean, what you guys expect? I mean, right now we are selling off and you know, this is how it looks when we sell off. Okay, it is what it is. Most of these buy and hold investors are going to get crushed in the stock market, in my opinion. Okay, most of you guys, they had it easy, just like the cryptocurrency guys had it easy. These guys had it easy too. Okay, they all they had to do was buy the dips, and these guys are definitely going to see, you know, a different market, and these guys going to get, a lot of these guys are scared already. Let's go back to these other questions here. How do I sign up for your crypto course? My crypto course is right here. Okay, my crypto course is right here. You go to this link right here, all right, and then as soon as you go to this link, you hit buy now, and it will check you out with PayPal. Okay, now you don't have to have a PayPal account. You just use your debit or credit card. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can you know, type it in. But that's pretty much it. Okay, this course comes with a Discord room. Okay, and also I have another course with day trading the futures. Okay, so I have two courses. Both of them come with what do you call that? The Discord room. Swazza said, please smash up the likes. Yes, please hit these likes. Your fingers are not going to fall off. Okay, so hit those likes, guys. Hit those likes. There's a lot of debate on the circulation supply and CoinMarketCap. Is it, in your opinion? I don't, honestly, bro, I don't really get caught up into that. Okay, I just go to CoinMarketCap, look at, you know, the percentage, look at the market cap, look at Bitcoin dominance, bro. You know, honestly, I don't get caught up into the little things. Okay, honestly, my focus is on making money. That's it. Shout out to Sean NYC. Sean NYC says, does EOS have what it takes to dethrone Ethereum? EOS. You know, Ethereum is honestly, Ethereum is weak right now. So yes, it's possible, because anything could you know, take over Ethereum. Ethereum right now is bouncing nicely. Okay, we seen a nice bounce from it, but you know, that's only temporarily. Okay, but at the same time, you know, will this thing continue to go down and crash? But the whole thing with the EOS situation is, okay, EOS is at $200 right now, right? $279. If the market keeps crashing, okay, you have to ask yourself this question, okay? Now, the answer to your question is yes. I think, you know, EOS right now is what, top 5. Yeah, it's a possibility, but you also have to ask yourself this, okay? EOS is at $2.68 right now. Okay, Ethereum is at $150. So that means that if the market continues to go down, who's going to hit the bottom first? Okay, that's another thing you really have to understand. Who's going to hit the bottom first? It's not going to be Ethereum. It's going to be EOS. EOS is at $2.68. Okay. So it's not going to be Ethereum. It's going to be, you know, it's going to be EOS hitting the floor first. Okay. But shout out to you for that super chat at $4.99 super chat. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Thanks a lot for that. Because, you know, my thoughts are, I think that a lot of these coins are going to flatline. Okay. I don't know which one. Okay, it could be any of these coins. That's why me personally, I don't fall in love with a certain coin. That's why right now I'm calling out the XRP boys because I still didn't get an answer from these guys yet. Okay, a lot of these guys are falling in love with XRP, and I'm trying to get an answer from these guys. All right, me personally, I don't fall in love with any coin or any stock. That's just my style. Okay, if you want to fall in love with a stock or a coin, you know, that's up to you. But me personally, I don't do that because I know that my emotions will mess me up. It will make me do. It will make me, you know, I will make bad decisions. Okay. Even if I see a stock or coin is dead, you know, based on me loving the stock or coin, I'm going to still buy the dip. And I don't want to be in that situation. Okay, I you know, been there, done that. Okay. Let me go to these other questions, guys. What is the best indicators to use for the 5 minute? Okay, I don't use any 5 minute at all. 5 minute on the BTC futures. I don't trade the I don't trade the BTC futures or cryptocurrencies. Day trade them at all. I think there's other vehicles out here that's way better than you know, crypto when it comes to day trading. Now you can swing trade cryptos. That's what I have. This course is about swing trading cryptos. My day trading course is about day trading the futures, S&P 500, crude oil, the Nasdaq, the Dow. You can day trade gold, all that stuff. Okay, you know, you have even some forex pairs. Okay, that you can you can actually, what do you call that, day trade. But I don't use any indicators. Okay, I just basically use my 5 minute chart. All right, and I just use my support and resistance. Okay, this is the euro versus the you know, the USD. Okay, this is the forex right here. This is a 5 minute chart. Notice right here we have a lot of resistance, guys. All right. So around this time, I think this is a new situation. So this will be very hard to predict anything like that. So if I knew some type of news was coming out, especially in forex, okay, I wouldn't be trading around this time. So we just shot up right here. So we shot up right at resistance. You notice that we shot right at a resistance. So I'm looking to go short around this area because, I mean, we have resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance right here. So as soon as we touch this thing, well, so when it comes to day trading, and you know, I don't use any indicators like that because honestly, it doesn't really. Indicators are lagging. Okay. So that's my thing. Let's look at some more. I mean, basically, this is, you know, British pound. We shot up right here. It broke resistance. Okay. Notice how this just broke this thing real quick. Went above the resistance. I'll be looking to go long. Okay. Probably right here at this bar right here. This is a nice looking green bar right here. You know, make some decent profit off that. Okay. Nice little long right here again. Okay. You know, there's a lot of money to be made when it comes to day trading once you understand it. You don't really need indicators. To me, it slows you down, and basically you can just use regular support and resistance. This is what is this? Japanese. This is forex. Basically, we had the news right here. We broke resistance right here, if you notice that we had resistance, you know, this is like we had resistance on the channel right here. We sold off. I would try to go short as soon as it sold off and it went back into the resistance. I'll be definitely looking to go short somewhere around here. Okay, and then you have support right here. Okay, you can actually go long right there. So you have to understand how to read the market, understand how to read the trends, read if the market is ranging, if it's trending, understand the support areas, support and resistance. Okay, understanding your setups, doing some back testing practice. You know, there's a lot of money. So let's go back to these questions real quick, and I'm probably going to get out of here soon. But shout out to all you guys, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate all you guys. We had a little spike right here. This is the Bitcoin 5-minute little spike right here. So we will see if this is resistance or if you know, some temporary spike. Like I said, right now, guys, it looks like we will continue to go down. But if it's a possibility we can actually hold that this inverse head and shoulders right here is a possibility that can hold too. All right, definitely a possibility that it can hold too. But just letting you know that this is a channel right here, and if we break out of this channel to the downside, most likely we're probably going to continue to go down. All right, so let's see right here. Going to these questions here. I don't know if this guy's a troll. Yeah, so we got a troll in the building. Okay, and basically he said that I'm selling a crypto course, but I don't accept crypto. First of all, a simple question would be, you know, good, right? Like, how can you say I don't accept crypto? Okay, that's how you know that you are a loser. Like, why would you come here and troll and you don't even know what you're talking about? I do accept crypto. Okay, I have a lot of students that paid with crypto. So get out of here, bro. All right, we don't need you here. I mean, that's your first comment. I mean, let's be serious, guys. That's his first comment on his stream. I mean, are you kidding me? Anyway, let's go back. Ken said, "Thank God I don't like dealing with annoying people." Oh man, these guys are crazy. You said he looks like the devil? I figured that you don't like XRP, but it's also can make money, maybe a lot of money. First of all, I didn't say I didn't like XRP. Okay, what I'm against is I'm against the XRP YouTubers that's trying to pump XRP up. Okay, and what I'm trying to do also is trying to hold the XRP community accountable, because most of you guys was defending these XRP YouTubers. Okay, these are the same people I've been calling out, and I've been saying, guys, stop listening to these guys. These guys are not full-time investors, full-time traders. They don't make a living from this stuff. These guys are YouTubers that know how to read the news. That's it. And you guys been defending these guys. So what I'm trying to do is say, you know what? Okay, action speaks louder than words. your guys said we're supposed to be at $3. Where's the $3 at? You said that XRP is going to separate from Bitcoin. What happened? It's not that I don't like XRP. Actually, XRP, on paper is probably one of the best coins, right? But at the same time, I'm a realist, and I understand the financial world. I understand how fundamentals don't matter in a bear market. All right. Most of you guys don't understand that because you're new to the financial world. What's going on, bro? Lauren, Happy New Year, bro. You said you did my first 3 out of 100 demo trades based on. All right, shout out to you, bro. I'm glad that you are on a demo. You said you made $20. Let me give you that ka-ching button, bro. Shout out to you taking action and practicing, bro. And let me give a round of applause. Shout out to you, man. You said you made $20. You're stoked. Question: in your opinion, crypto space in general going to die, or is it the future? Okay, shout out to you, bro. That's a good question. Okay, his question is crypto space? Okay, he said is the crypto space in general going to die, or is it or is there a future? That's a good question because yesterday, I was talking about the crypto market, and most of you guys, probably, was probably saying to yourself, man, what is this guy talking about? Because I saw a lot of people unsubscribe yesterday, which is okay. Like I said, I'm okay with that. And I was talking about how things could get ugly when it comes to the crypto space. So do I see a future with the crypto? It's very hard to say. Because I'm going to be honest with you guys, this crypto market that I signed up for, this is not it. Okay, this is not it, guys. All right, this is not the crypto market I signed up for. I signed up for a decentralized, application that allows us to transfer money back and forth. Okay, we don't have to deal with the government. We don't have to deal with Wall Street. We don't have to deal with nobody. Okay, that's what I signed up for, and I'm quite sure you guys signed up for that too. Okay, I don't like when the Wall Street guys is coming in. I don't like when the government decides to come in. I didn't sign up for that. Okay, so some of you guys, the reason why some of you guys want the government to come in and want Wall Street to come in because you guys don't know nothing about the financial world, and you made a mistake and you bought Bitcoin at 19,000, or you bought XRP and you put your whole life savings in XRP, and that's why you want Wall Street to save Bitcoin or the government to save it. And I'm here to tell you guys that the government or Wall Street, any of those guys, are not saving the crypto market. Okay. That being said, do I see a future? It all depends on the regulation. Okay, I don't like regulations in the first place. Okay, now the government is going to regulate all this stuff, and if you know anything about regulations, it slows things down. It's just how it works. Okay, slow things down, bro. It's gonna make it harder for the average Joe to make money, a lot of money. Okay, so honestly, I want to see how the bear market plays out, and I want to see how the regulations play out and all that stuff. But I don't like what I see so far. Like I said before, guys, I could lie to you and say, bro, yeah, we going to the moon, subscribe, whatever. Okay, I can do that, but it doesn't make any sense. Okay, I rather give you guys what I see. Most of you YouTubers are not going to do that. Okay, so if you guys unsubscribe, I'm cool with that. Like I said, at the end of the day, it is what it is. But I only want to deal with people that want to make money from the markets, learn how to read the charts, learn how to look at the facts, okay? And that's it. I don't want lazy people. Over here, I want to teach people how to become professionals, okay? Trade the market full time, eventually quit your job. That's what I want, okay? I don't want losers. I don't want lazy people that buy and hold and think Bitcoin is going to the moon just because someone on the news told you that, or your favorite YouTuber told you that, okay? That is lazy thinking, okay? The real path to success is you have to be active. You have to learn. You know, you have to practice, do things. You have to build skills, okay? All these guys that buy and hold, these guys are not building any type of skills, money-making skills, okay? The name of the game is building monthly cash flow. You have to do that, okay? Even the guys that you look up to, okay? Like most people always call out the name Warren Buffett, okay? Even Warren Buffett has cash flow coming in. He has daily, weekly, and monthly cash flow coming in, okay? So stop throwing out his name just because it sounds good. Oh, what about Warren Buffett, bro? He has money coming in. You guys don't have any money coming in except for your job, okay? If your investment, right, if your coin doesn't work out, you guys are screwed, okay? A guy like me that don't depend on any long-term anything, I can come in the market, make, you know, right now I'm day trading the futures market, so I average around 1 to 5K a day, right? And I can come in the market, extract money from the market, and I don't have to worry about if Bitcoin is going to 50K or 1K. It doesn't matter to me because I'm not stuck in a long-term hold, okay? I build, you know, I specifically build skills that will generate money for me monthly, okay, or daily and weekly. That's the name of that's the name of the game, guys. That's how the rich, these rich guys, this the game these guys are playing. Okay. Let me go to these questions here. And guys, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button if you want to be a winner. Okay, if you don't want to win, please hit that unsubscribe button. Okay, you know, really, who cares? Is there a certain exchange you prefer to short? Like I said, I have one exchange I use. I don't use BitMax. I use Javax for the cryptos. There's another site you can email me, but at the same time, you know, it doesn't matter what site you use as long as you have access to an exchange that allows you to short. Iger said you are a very good trader. Thanks for your honesty about liking in crypto only making money. Yes, man. Shout out to you, bro. Yes, you know, that's all I want to do is learn how to make money, because at the end of the day, guys, no one is going to save you. I don't care, you know, how good the president makes a speech. No one is going to knock on your door and give you money. No one, okay? It's you. You have to produce, okay? You're the only one that's going to help you get out your situation. Help yourself, okay? Don't depend on anyone. No one is going to help you. Shout out to Swagger for giving me that $5 super chat. He said, Ben teaches us the price action is king. The only indicators I use are the ones in my car. That's funny. Shout out to you, bro. Let me give you a round of applause. Swagger is actually one of my he's actually one of my students, and he's a guy that took his time with learning the strategy and learning how to read the charts, and it's paying off. Okay, this guy actually knows how to read the market and knows how to make money from the markets. Okay, so shout out to him. You say Glenn? Shout out to Glenn. What's going on, Glenn? Happy New Year's, bro. Where's Randy at? I don't see Randy. Oh, Randy's probably he's probably at work, right? Because it is 4:30. Let me see here. What's going on, Keith? You said don't worry about the trolls. Yeah, man, I hear you. You said Mike long Ethereum 170. Let's look at Ethereum 170. Yeah, like I said, guys, now 170, wow, 170, well, I mean, around that 170, 200 area, we have a lot of resistance, so just be careful. Honestly, I don't know why just be careful, bro. There's a lot of resistance around that area. And plus, this thing been going up for a long time, so just be careful. Right now, BTC is showing some bias. Some bias is coming in, so we will see how they want to play this thing out, how they want to move this thing, because I believe next week we are going to see some type of movement. Hopefully, it's something good. But like I said, right now we are in a channel. If we break this channel right here, I do expect continuation to the downside. Now, if we break this to the upside, which is a possibility too, okay, if we break this to the upside, most likely we probably will either test this high right here or around here. Okay, maybe the 43 or 44, or maybe the 43 or 44 level, because that's another possibility. Okay, this level right here. So we'll see. But I'm still looking at this channel, and I'm still looking to see if they want to break this channel. As a trader, a thing you guys have to know is you basically you are a sniper, or you're like a lion trying to hunt. You're looking for those high quality trades. You're not trying to take every little thing that you see. So, it's a waiting game, but you wait for high quality setups so you can get that money. All right. Mr. Soak would like to debate you on live stream. Who is Mr. Soko or Sokoto? I don't know. Satko? Who is that guy? Does he have a YouTube channel? And what does he want to debate about? Let me know. Look, this liar, what he's saying about, you said Max told Big Ben you would debate him right now. Max, he's talking about how he's losing subscribers in the market. He literally just said that. I'm just trying to figure out what you guys are talking about. First of all, I don't know who's that guy. Does he have a YouTube channel? What this guy wants to debate about? Let me know. Ash, Ben, I'm going to pick up your crypto course in the next few days. I'm from UK, so I paid through. All right. Shout out to you, Ash. Once again, thanks a lot for your support. And if you have any questions, let me know. And I definitely look forward to, having you as a student. And let me know when you get it so I can send you the Discord room, because it comes with a Discord room. What's up, Big Ben? I'm in lockstep with your brother. Shout out to you, Quick Shot. So you basically you bought the course. That's what you're trying to say. Quick Shot. Let me know, because I'm confused. You say you said I'm in. So I'm not too sure if that means that you are you bought the course, or you just basically, you tune in into the live stream. Shout out to you though. Thanks a lot, man. Madden said, I'm not hitting any button on any coin. Yes, I definitely agree. BTC always mess things up. You said then it crashed hard at 1.5. I mean, Bitcoin gets to 1.5, a lot of feelings are going to get hurt, man. A lot of people are going to get hurt. Woody said, I'm following you for a while, but I have to say, I love your way of thinking, Ben. You remind me of Robin Hood. You take secrets, knowledge from the pros and give it to the average person. Thanks a lot, bro. Shout out to you, Woody. Woody's actually one of my students too, so let me give him a round of applause. Thanks a lot, man. I'm trying to go to these questions real quick. Oh, what's going on, Randy? I didn't see you. You said I'm here just listening. All right. Yeah, I didn't see you, bro. Shout out to you, man. What's going on, G Slick? You said you close your trade with ETH. If we break up, long again. Okay. Or just shorted ETH to 60. Let me see ETH going to 60. Let me see. What was the low on ETH anyway? The low on ETH was 80. Okay, yeah. So definitely 60 is in the books. All right. I honestly, we can get as low as 20 or 30, like 30. I don't think most people understand this thing can go real low. Let me see here. What's going on, Peter? Hope your start of the new year has been good. Yes, it's been good. Shout out to you, Peter. Hope your start been good too, and I hope all you guys have a good 2019. And I hope you guys don't make the same mistakes, because most people, put like this, most poor people, what they do is they would, try, if something's not working out, what they do is try harder. Okay, they would do the same things, like they would have the same habits, but they just try harder. Okay, and I really don't want you guys to be in that situation. That's why poor people will always remain poor, because they don't want to change. Okay. Poor people are not changing. They just try harder. So, for example, if a coin is down and it looks like this thing will continue to go down, most people will try harder, buy the dips, put more money on the dips. Just relax. Okay, relax. Okay. How about try something new? How about try something new? Because buying the dips hasn't been working out for you. Okay, won't you just stop trying to try harder, look at the situation, and ask yourself, should I try something new? Okay, and usually the question is, or the answer is yes. You should be trying something new. And I hope you guys have a great 2019, and I hope you guys just don't use or have the same bad habits, this year. You said, yes, I bought the course last week. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Thanks a lot, bro. Quick shot. Let me give you a round of applause. Man, I'm trying to, I don't know what's going on with this, but quick shot. Let me ask you a question. Did I give you the Discord room? Quick shot. Did I give you the Discord room? Let me know. All right, let me know. None of these things are working. I don't know if my internet is working. You guys hear me good? Because this is not working. I mean, nothing's working right now. I'm trying to give you a round of applause, but it's not working. So, but I just, at the same time, let me know if I send you the Discord room. All right. Yeah, so where's that guy? I mean, you said somebody wanted to debate me, debate me about what? Ryan said, I'm too broke to buy courses, so I learned what I can, any new ideas. Ryan, basically, all you have to do is just, follow the charts, okay? Look at the major trend, okay? So it's very simple. Right now, last year, actually, the trend was going up, okay? Very simple. It was going up. So all you have to do is look for pullbacks and look to get in the trend. Okay. Now you can look to get into the trend with multiple setups. Okay. You can go online and look and type in setups. Okay, and look at a bullish setup or a bearish setup. My course will show you everything step by step. The things that you get on the internet is just, a small piece of the pie. It's not really everything put together. And I try to make things as simple as possible. I'll show you guys the setups I'm using. Right now, Bitcoin is actually going up. Okay. Finally, it's doing something. So let's see if Bitcoin decides to do something this weekend. Because tomorrow is Saturday, so let's say Bitcoin decides to break this channel. All right, because I was looking for Bitcoin to break this to the downside. Okay, if it broke it to the downside, then most likely that means continuation. So we will see if they want to break it to the upside. So if they break it to the upside, that means that it doesn't mean that they want to go up, high, but it means that they could go up maybe to 44-ish. I still think that they want to keep this as low as possible. I don't think they want to bring this to 5,000. Like I said, it is the new year, so what they can do this month of January, they can actually go up and have a green month in January just to, confuse the moon boys, and then after that start selling again because, in my opinion, the selling is not over yet. Most of these coins are still overvalued, so the selling to me is still not over. Red Fox said, I think the worst is over. People being greedy, not buying, getting locked out soon. Nah, I think we have some more selling, bro. You said the elite will will I mean, honestly, why would they want to go up and lock you out? That doesn't make any sense. Why not lock you out now? Quick Shot said, I have a long-term position on XRP, but after listening to your channel and personally your course, I have a different perspective on trading. Yes, making money. Yes, exactly. So, you know, my thing is all about making money weekly, daily, monthly, because you really have to understand the name of the game is cash flow, guys. Okay, most of you guys are living paycheck to paycheck. Only reason why you're doing that is because you don't have enough cash flow coming in. It's just very simple. All right, we probably talk about that in my next live stream. But shout out to you guys, bro. Someone said XRP BTC. Head and Shoulders, yeah, it's a possibility. It's a Head and Shoulders, it's a possibility. I don't know what chart you're talking about. Are you talking about a daily chart? You're talking about this head right here. I don't know if you're talking about this right here. Head, left shoulder, right shoulder. That's a possibility. It's a possibility. Like I said, I don't know if that's what you're talking about. I don't know what time frame you're looking at. But I'm about to get out of here, guys. I appreciate everybody. Okay, definitely appreciate everybody. Yeah, Tron is going up 20%. Like I said, you know, if Bitcoin breaks out of this consolidation, okay, to the upside, okay, if it breaks to the consolidation to the upside, then most likely, you know, it all depends how they want to do it. But you know, it's a possibility that they can make this a green month and make it a month where you know, they think, you know, they will make everybody think everything is bullish once again. Let me see here. Okay, BTC will never see 2,900. Okay, so I know you're trolling right now, Red Fox. You're trolling right now. Jason said you should sell a T-shirt that says "Moon Boys Get Wrecked." I should, right? I should say "Moon Boys is over." Oh man, that's funny. Yeah, that I definitely should come up with a T-shirt like that, right? That'd be funny. But anyway, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. Let me give you guys a round of applause. If you guys have any questions, definitely, you know, you can hit me up. Yeah, see you later, Keith. Okay. The Big Bear, yes. The Big Bear, yes. You guys have any questions? Definitely, you know, you can email me. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, because some of you guys are brainwashed and you're thinking, you know, one thing and something else is going to happen. So if you want the facts, hit that subscribe button. If you don't want this facts, don't hit that subscribe button. Okay. But yeah, shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Continue to have a good day. Make sure you guys study. Make sure you guys improve. Have a great weekend. Chill out. Try not to stress yourself out. Okay, if you want to chill with some friends, chill with some friends. You know, have a nice weekend, man. Me personally, you know, I'm in Florida, so the weather out here is good. And, you know, I'm in I'm in the pool. I'm in my pool. You know, in the winter, and I love it. So shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. John said, can you go back to the BTC chart? My question would withdraw the lines. Current green bar looks like there's resistance. Looks like a flag. Yeah, John, I'll probably do that tomorrow. Or later on if I do another live stream. Right now, I'm out of here. I'm hungry. But shout out to all you guys, man. I appreciate all you guys tuning in. Shout out to all my real subscribers. Swazzer, you know what I mean? All you guys. Dom, Ken, Keith, Randy, all you guys, man. Thanks a lot. Cedric, businessman. What's going on, businessman? Davina, I don't know what Davina is at right now. But she's probably doing something else. Crypto Corey, all you guys. Thanks a lot, bro, for tuning in. Thanks a lot for that super chat. Swazzer. And who else gave me a super chat? Someone else. I forgot who gave me that super chat. Sean, NYC. Shout out to you, bro. All right, so guys, thanks a lot. Have a great weekend. Study, study, study. Practice, practice, practice. And I will talk to you guys later.